Hello again. I just want to talk about one very small part of a song today, so it should be a relatively quick video. I've been on a bit of a 70s rock thing and Mountain Leslie West in particular. And there seems to be a forgotten riff in Never in My Life by Mountain, which hopefully you know what it is if you've clicked on this video, but just in case you don't, it's that one. There's a lot of really good playthroughs and lessons for this song on YouTube. There's footage of Leslie West himself playing this live, and in every one that I've seen, nobody plays the one riff that just, when I first heard this song, the riff that really jumped out to me and made me want to pick the guitar up and figure it out. Nobody seems to play it. I don't understand why. It comes in the verse, and the verse, as you know, if you know the song, is kind of two halves. You've got the first half, which is this. The second half of it, what virtually everybody seems to do, including Leslie West, is just hang out on this power chord with a bit of maybe some C minor noodling in between. If you listen to the record though, there's an overdub that goes like this. That to me is just so much cooler and so much more fun. I guess if you're Leslie West and you've got to sing the muting, the syncopation of all of that, maybe it's just too much of a pain in the arse and you're better off just leaning on that C. But if, like me, you're at home annoying your neighbours, this is just too good not to play. So you're just leaning on this C note at the 8th fret, double stop across the B and G on the 10th fret, again at the 8th fret, and here we're going to hammer on from the 8th to the 9th fret on the G, just on the G string, so that you get that minor to major thing. Really nice funky riff. Got to get your palm muting right there to keep it nice and tight and tidy. And just finish with the power chords. That's it really. It's just too good of a riff not to be on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you like this stuff, please, hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, do a dance, all of that kind of stuff. I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.